All right guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. This one is probably the easiest tutorial video that we have to offer, and it is literally how to dry your car streak-free with the Blackline drying towel like we do in our video. Because we get all the comments saying, oh, my towel streaked, it didn't work, it this, that, all the comments. So we're gonna show you how to do it properly without one, scratching your car or leaving any streaks behind. Granted, it's pretty self-explanatory because it is just a towel and water. So it's gonna be an easy one. But we got all the towels here. We got a wet hood behind us. Let's go and move over there and show you guys how to do it properly. So I grabbed the purple towel because it's my favorite, but before we go ahead and dry this car, a couple tips to know about the drying towel is that it is 1300 GSM. It is 3 feet by 2 feet, so this thing is massive. I will say this is a pretty big hood, but I would bet that I'd be able to get the whole hood in one single pass. A little bit of that is technique, but one thing to note before, one, using your drying towel or reusing it, maybe after a couple times you've already dried a couple cars, is to make sure that your towel is clean and you use a safe detergent like our Restore microfiber detergent to clean it so the fibers are actually able to absorb the water. Now, if you just got your towel delivered, you don't have to wash it. You can use it right out of the box and it's gonna be perfectly fine. But after a couple uses, I would recommend hitting it with a little bit of Restore, throw it in the washer and just clean it up a little bit. And remember to wash it only with microfibers. Do not wash it with dirty underwear and random stuff. So the biggest mistake that I see people do when using the drying towel is they use it almost like a chamois, where they go in and they're just kind of going like this, kind of just rubbing it around on the car. And as you can hopefully see on camera, there's a bunch of streaks left behind, still water on the vehicle, and that's where you're gonna be left with watermarks and streaks after the vehicle is actually drying in the sun. But what you need to actually do is simply drape it over the hood, just like this, and simply pull it, because this guy is going to be using the full surface area of the towel. If you were to hypothetically have a perfect throw, all the fibers are going to soak up all the water and you're simply going to be left with absolutely no streaks. If you are left with any streaks, they're so thin that they are going to dry up in the sun and you're still going to be left with a completely dry hood. Now, the reason that we throw the drying towel onto the vehicle and pull it is simply to prevent scratches, because if you're going around, going like this, going in swirl marks, you're gonna create micro scratches in your car's paint, even if it is a soft microfiber. That's why they even say when you're buffing in product, you don't wanna go in circles, you wanna go in straight line motions, exactly what we're doing here. A simple one pull straight line motion with a drying towel, hitting every single fiber so it can soak up as much water as humanly possible. So we're gonna go ahead and re-wet this hood and then do a couple more pulls just to show you guys how well this thing works. And before we do that, another very common question is if our drying towels work on glass. The only thing is you wanna do it the exact same way that you do the hood, where you literally drape the whole towel on there and simply pull it, because you're gonna be able to use all of the surface area, every single microfiber possible to soak up all the water. You want as many microfibers touching the paint as possible so you can soak up as much water as possible. Now let's see if I can do this full AMG hood with just one single drying towel. Oh, look at that technique there. Go back and forth and even come back on top. And guys, I would say that's pretty good. I did miss some over there, a little bit on top, but I would say 98% of the hood completely dry, and this is a massive hood. So if you do have a smaller one, this towel will completely cover it. Maybe insert a clip of the McLaren. Covers the whole hood on that one. All right, so that is the simple way of how to use the Blackline drying towel. We get a lot of questions about it on TikTok and Instagram, so I wanted to post a full video on here just to clear up any questions for you guys wondering. But guys, again, simply remember to just drape the drying towel over the vehicle, get as much surface area of the towel onto your car's paint, and that's how you're gonna be able to soak up the most water. Then of course, always make sure that your microfiber is clean. So remember, just a couple ounces of Restore into the washer, and then simply just let it air dry for a couple hours, and you're gonna be good to go to use this thing again and again and again and again. And we did already post a video of how to properly wash your towel, so you can go watch that as well. We did 2 different versions of how to wash it. So if you don't have a washer, we showed you how to do it in a bucket as well. So go watch that video and you'll be totally set on the Blackline drying towel. But I appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Let's go.